How to connect Stripe to Base44 step by step. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account and create a new API key. Copy the publishable and secret keys. If you don't know how to add API keys, you can go to this. Step 2. Go to your Base44 app settings. Under integrations, you can look for Stripe. If you can't look for Stripe, you can add one in this one. Step 3. Paste your Stripe publishable key and secret key into Base44's integration fields, and then save the changes. Step 4. Enable the products or subscriptions that you want to accept in your Base44 app. Test the integration using the Stripe's test mode. Step 5. Once confirmed, switch from the test mode to live mode on Stripe. And then your Base44 app will now process real payments. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.